Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to see how many hours you played on Brawl Stars. Here's a quick and easy way to do it. First, open a game, go to your profile. There you'll find your player tag right under your profile picture. It usually starts with a hashtag like QRC2. Copy that tag, then open your preferred browser and search for Brawl Time Ninja. Click the first link that appears. This site lets you track in-depth Brawl Stars stats. Once you're on the site, paste your player tag into the search bar, hit enter. After a brief load, your full player profile will appear, showing your name, club trophies, and more. Now scroll down a bit, and you'll find the total hours you've spent playing Brawl Stars. It's that simple. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.